Go on guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, just some updates. My grandmother had a stroke. She was in the hospital. She was admitted for about a week. She was supposed to go to Kingston to get a scan done, but while they were waiting to take her to Kingston, they found out she had pneumonia. Yeah, she had pneumonia, so they said they want to treat the pneumonia before they take her to do the scan in Kingston. She was admitted in Princess Margaret Hospital, that's in St. Thomas. So say hi, Malachi. So while waiting for her to get rid of the pneumonia, to go do the scan in Kingston, she passed away. And the saddest thing is that she passed away on Tyrone's birthday. That's a sad moment. So it's updates, candlelight, 9-night funeral. Funeral will be on the 31st of December. Hopefully I can get the chance to go. Yeah, hopefully I can get the chance to go, because know that I have a newborn baby here, so I don't wanna take her to any funeral or anything like that. Somebody can be careful. So hopefully I get the chance to go, and we just have to be the strongest that we can be at this moment. So actually, we're mourning the last of our grandmother. That's my mom. My mom's mom. My mom's mom. That sounds funny. Oh my god. So you guys, so that's the update for now. Yeah. We'll keep you posted on further notice. So while I'm here nursing and cherishing these two little ones, are all of them. We just have to stay strong, keep a smile, try to support each other in times like now. Oh god. Hey guys, so that's the update for now. Just want to let you guys know, because the last time I went to visit her was in January, and that was my first video. And like weeks ago I said to mom, I'm tired, I need a break. If my grandma wasn't that far away, I would go and spend at least a week or two with her to get a break. I'm tired of staying home. And I was saying that to mom, didn't know that this was gonna happen. And then mom said she was going over there for the Christmas, and I said okay then, if I had baby before the Christmas, then yeah, maybe I could go with her to visit her, because it has been a while. I haven't seen her. So guys, it seems as if I knew something was going down, or yeah, just the instinct of everything. So that's that for now guys. So we'll keep you posted on funeral and 9-night and all of that. So have yourself a blessed day guys, and we keep in touch.